Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to be driving into May Pen, and we just came off the May Pen bypass and we're entering May Pen from the May Pen bridge entrance. So there are three main ways into May Pen. You can drive on Glenmuir Drive, you can drive through Four Paths, or you can drive on the road we're on now. So May Pen is the largest town in Mandeville. Oh, Mandeville. May Pen is the largest town in Clarendon. It's also the capital of Clarendon. And outside of Kingston, it's the third largest town you're going to find on the south coast. You have Spanish Town and Mandeville, which is larger, and then you have May Pen. But it's the largest town in Clarendon, the parish of Clarendon. So you can see some very nice homes on the outskirts of May Pen. Now recently there has been some talk about, oh, that's a really nice home on the left. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up these homes. Recently there was some talk about starting back up the train service in Jamaica. So we're going to pass over the train tracks that used to run to May Pen. May Pen was one on the route that the train used to run. Currently there is a program for students to use the train. However, that is in the parish of St. Catherine. On the right we're passing the National Works Agency office. We're on Trenton Road. On the left is the May Pen Depot, where you got to get your car passed and those kind of things. There it is on the left. Okay, so yeah, they're trying to get the train service up and running. They have a pilot program now where students can use the train. Students use the train from, okay, this is one of the tracks that we're passing over now, and the track runs to the left. Yeah, students in Old Harbour and Linstead can take the train to Spanish Town. So that is up and running, and they're trying to get the entire train service in Jamaica up and running again. Now here you can see we're actually driving over the train track. The train track goes through this bridge. But the trains don't run on these tracks anymore, so they're hoping to get it up and running. Okay, now. For some reason I don't think this bridge was originally intended to have two lanes of traffic. And then there you can see the train tracks going straight. So there is a railway station for May Pen further up. So hopefully they get the train service up and running, because, and here you can see the tracks run across the road again. Hopefully that service gets up and running soon, because it will definitely help with the transportation system in Jamaica, especially these, there is no, okay, this is the bus park on the right. To get from, say, Spanish Town to May Pen to Mandeville to Santa Cruz, there is no set system. They have buses that run, but the buses park, and then if the bus is loaded in 1 hour, the bus leaves. If the bus is loaded in 3 hours, the bus just sits down there. So you don't really have any defined system for the transportation. You can also get a taxi, but again, you don't have any set time that the taxi leaves. So a train system will definitely help. And they don't have enough taxis and buses for the transport sector in Jamaica. So if you have a train that can carry, say, 20,000 people from Spanish Town to Old Harbour to May Pen to Mandeville to Santa Cruz in one go, then clearly it will free up the transportation system so that the taxis and the buses that would run that route would be able to run another route, and persons wouldn't have to wait like an hour or two for a taxi or a bus. So I really hope that's a system they get up and running soon. It will definitely help. Alright, I don't think this road takes us back to the town, so we're going to turn around. Actually, does it? Let's follow this road. No, I'm not sure. This road might take us back by the police station road, but we're just going to turn back around here. Now straight ahead is a National Wholesale, which is one of the largest wholesales in Jamaica. Definitely the largest one in May Pen. This is the May Pen fire station on the right, and further down to the right is the May Pen police station. Straight ahead is Main Street, and you can only turn at certain parts. Main Street is a one-way, but where we're going to enter Main Street, you can turn left to head to the center of the town, or the town center as they call it, or you can turn right to head back to the police station and the May Pen Bridge and drive out of May Pen. On the right is the Road and Works Department for Clarendon, and the town center has a lot of activity. It has a lot of stores, notably supermarkets, wholesales. Very busy area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.